Hi, I'm Bevan Garcia, Head of International Markets and Strategy at Disinfection Biohazard Solutions Limited. Previous studies on coronaviruses have determined that they thrive on multiple surfaces. This includes glass, metal, and even plastic surfaces. When you take a detailed look at these surfaces, and to be more specific with the viewpoint of recontamination prevention, high traffic areas and touch points must be considered. These high traffic areas are places like supermarkets, restaurants, medical facilities, bars, cinemas, shopping malls, and of course in this case, gas stations. A recent study by the Texas Medical Association rated pump and gas at level 2 of their COVID-19 task force list.
Hi, my name is Ram. I work at Harmonic Limited Company. It's very important for us to keep our customers safe during this COVID-19 pandemic.
Bacoban is the next generation of disinfectants. It lasts up to 10 days. That's 240 hours of protection. Disinfect uses a 3-phase technology. 1 UV light, 2 fogging, and 3 nano technology. It's a multi-layered approach to make sure everything is completely disinfected.